Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Thursday, September 18th, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going this morning?
Hey David, I'm doing okay. How about you?
Pretty good. Just need this coffee to kick in.
Same here. I'm still half asleep.
I feel you. Long night or just a busy week?
Busy week, too many meetings.
Oh, don't get me started on meetings. They drag on forever.
Yeah, they really do. I just want to get stuff done.
Exactly. Hey, did you catch any news while grabbing your coffee?
Not yet. Anything interesting out there?
Oh yeah, there's some big stuff happening. First, China is going after Nvidia.
Nvidia, the tech company? What's going on?
Yeah, they make chips for computers and AI. China says they broke anti-monopoly laws.
That sounds serious. What does that mean?
Well, it could mean fines or limits on their business. Might make tech stuff more expensive.
That's not good. A lot of projects depend on those chips.
For sure. I'm thinking it could mess with my sales if prices go up.
True. Higher costs always hit budgets hard.
Yeah, we'll see. I just hope it doesn't slow down our orders.
Let's keep an eye on it. Tech news always affects us.
No kidding. Speaking of tech, did you hear about Elon Musk?
No, what's up with him now?
He lost his spot as the richest person. Some AI tech guy took over.
Wow, that's huge. Who is this new person?
It's Larry Ellison from a company called Oracle. Elon must be fuming.
Haha, I bet. AI is taking over everything, isn't it?
Oh yeah? I'm telling you, soon AI will be doing my sales pitches.
Don't say that. But yeah, tech changes so fast.
Too fast for me sometimes. I just want my laptop to stop crashing.
I know the feeling. Tech can be such a pain.
Totally. I spend half my day restarting stuff.
Same. It's funny how we rely on it so much.
Yeah, no escape. Hey, did you see anything else in the news?
I did. There's something about Nepal. Their prime minister stepped down.
Whoa, really? What happened there?
Big protests by young people. They're upset about corruption and a social media ban.
A social media ban? That's wild.
Yeah, it's a big issue. People want to speak out online.
I get that. Social media is how we all stay in touch.
Exactly. It's important for sharing ideas and news.
For sure. I wonder if it affects business over there.
It might. Companies like stability when they invest.
Yeah, no stability, no deals. I hope they fix it soon.
Me too. It's tough to see so much frustration.
Totally. People just want things to be fair.
Right. It makes you think about how lucky we are.
Yeah, we've got it pretty good here. No bans on chatting.
True. Let's hope it stays that way.
Fingers crossed. Hey, on a brighter note, did you hear about TikTok?
TikTok? What's the latest with that?
There's a deal to keep it running in the US. No ban for now.
Oh, that's good news. A lot of people love it.
Yeah, my niece is glued to it. She'd cry if it got banned.
I bet. It's huge for young people.
Not just kids. Some businesses use it for ads too.
True. It's a smart way to reach customers.
Exactly. I've even seen some cool sales ideas on there.
Really? Maybe we should check it out for work?
Maybe. But I'm no good at dancing videos.
Me neither. I'll stick to project plans.
Good call. Still, I'm glad they found a deal.
Yeah, it's nice to hear something positive.
For sure. We need more good news these days.
Agreed? It's been a heavy week with all these stories.
Tell me about it. I just want a quiet day at the office.
Same. But I've got 3 reports waiting for me.
Ouch, that's rough. I've got 2 client calls lined up.
Good luck with those. Don't let them talk your ear off.
I'll try. Clients love to chat too much?
They sure do. Just keep it short and sweet.
That's the plan. Hey, how's your team doing?
Pretty good, just busy. We're juggling a few projects.
I bet. You project managers always have a full plate.
Yeah, it never stops. How about your sales targets?
Not bad. I'm close to hitting my numbers this month.
Nice. Keep it up. You're doing great.
Thanks, Alex. I'm pushing hard for that bonus.
I don't blame you. Bonuses are the best.
Oh yeah, gotta treat myself if I get it.
You should. Maybe a nice dinner or something?
That's the idea. How about you? Any fun plans soon?
Not really. Just hoping to relax at home.
Nice. I might watch a game or catch up on sleep.
Sounds perfect. We all need a break sometimes.
For sure. This coffee break is my mini break right now.
Haha, same. Coffee is the best part of the day.
You're not wrong, I might grab another cup later.
Me too. It's the only way to survive.
Haha, true. Coffee's like my best coworker.
Totally, it never lets you down.
Nope, unlike some of my clients.
Haha, don't say that, but I get it.
Just kidding, mostly. Anyway, I should head back.
Yeah, me too. Those reports won't write themselves.
Same with my calls. Gotta keep the boss happy.
Always. Let's catch up again soon.
You bet. See you later, Alex.
See you, David. Have a good day.
You too. Keep rocking those projects.
Thanks. Good luck with your sales.
Appreciate it. Hey, one last thing.
What's up?
If you hear more about that NVIDIA thing, let me know.
Will do. Same with TikTok or anything else.
Cool. I like staying in the loop.
Me too. It helps with planning ahead.
Exactly. All right, I'm off for real now.
Okay, take care, David.
You too. See you around.
Bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic